You're a scammer.
Yes, I am. Please go.
Yes, you're a scam. Don't scream to me. Don't shout.
No, you are doing that.
If you choose from this menu, I can offer a glass of wine.
10%? Wow, fantastic. Well, faltam a duas.
See.
Again, we will see Madeira Island, the land of beautiful nature, safety, honest people, and great weather. Let's see really if they are honest. I'm gonna go to the restaurants and check if they are telling the truth about the prices or the menus. We will check that out, and we're gonna walk for the downtown seacoast, wherever we're gonna check the African sellers and what they are selling there. Basically, we're gonna inspect if they're scamming or if they're being honest, and what the service they sell from the restaurants and products the tourists may buy. Welcome. It's a great day today. It's a bit hot because of the humidity is higher, but it is what it is. If you want great weather, you have to deal with it. I'm in Funchal right now. Onde é uma garrafa d'água, se acha? Pode ser natural.
Dinheiro 60.
E a receita também? Supermarkets, the water will cost you 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. In these tiny bars, they will charge you almost €2 for a bottle of water. So pay attention for that. Tuk-tuks. It's a great way to see the island. They usually don't scam you. Just make sure to ask the price first. And it's a great way to see the island. Great place to swim. I'm not sure about the price, but I think it's something about €2. There's a card you can do and it will be much cheaper. It's a cool spot to access the center really quick.
Would you like something to eat, drink?
How much is the menu? It's included with the drink or
No, it's separate.
no? Separate. And for two people?
2 people.
For two people, how much will cost?
It depends. You have this menu. You also have the...
So there's a menu for two
dish of
people.
the day.
Okay. So if I come with my girlfriend, that will be the menu.
You can be this one, or you can choose this one.
So there's no fixed price for each individual, or
No. It's like if you order the sardines plus the drink.
okay then. I will think about it. Thank you so much.
If you choose from this menu, I can offer a glass of wine.
Oh, so the glass of wine is for free, yeah?
Yeah, I can offer a glass of wine.
Okay then.
Choose from this menu.
I'll come back at night. Thank you so much. A lot of things to think about it, no? Suddenly the glass of wine is for free. First of all, the drinks were not for free, were not included, and then you come back and included the wine for free. So tell me, what do you think about it? Is this the price for the menu? It's included the drink or the drink? It's
No, without drinks.
without the drinks. So the drink I need to pay separately.
Yes.
Okay then. And for two people, how much will be the menu?
what you want? Suppose you like chicken, we have only
Yeah, but
$12.99.
if I come with my girlfriend, how much
Yes.
will cost? Is this a price for each one, or
Yes, this is each one. If you like chicken, only chicken, $12.99.
got it?
And one rice is $2.50.
Okay.
Naan and
So 250 for me, and more 250 for my girlfriend.
Yes.
So that will be €5.
€5 for naan.
Okay.
And if you like rice, you can choose this one.
Any possibility to have a discount for an extra person? No. Okay, no problem. Thanks so much.
If you want, we give.
Sorry?
If you want, we give discount.
You give a discount? Really? So if I bring my girlfriend, I have a discount? Or?
Yeah, 1% and 2%.
Okay. So this is not the original price.
No, this is reasonable.
This is the price. But if I bring my girlfriend, this will be lower.
10% discount.
10%? Wow, fantastic. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day. A discount. But the thing is, they don't tell you that you will have a discount. I asked by joking, will I have a discount? And she said yes, but they don't tell you in the first place you will have a discount, because it's not written there that you will have a discount. Kids are doing events, they are playing. So we're gonna check some vendors. Sorry, my lady, how much?
Hello?
How much for the...
Come on, my friend. Sorry.
So, introduce me to what you're selling.
This?
Yeah, how much is that?
Small? It's small. It's a big one. It's a little small.
How much do you want for that?
This?
Yeah.
30.
30. And the big one?
Big one, 40.
40. That's a bit expensive. What about 20 for the big one?
Eh?
20 for the big one?
It's a 20 small.
Yeah, but that's too much for
Okay,
me.
give me 35.
35?
Yeah.
So it's not 40 anymore?
Yeah?
It's not €40 anymore, it's 35?
Okay, give me 30. It's a premier client.
30?
Give me 30. 30.
That's too much. What about 15? 15. Can you do for 15? 1.5?
Big?
Yeah? No. Okay then.
Okay,
No.
give me 25.
25?
Yeah,
From 40 to 25.
it's big.
25. No, thank you.
Too much?
Yeah. Have a good day. No
Okay,
problem.
give me small. Look at small.
How much?
Give me small 20.
20? Pode ser. Posso escolher? É €2 estas aqui?
2 euros para 5 euros.
Leva de duas. A duas é estas, não é?
Aqui, esse é 2 euros. Aqui.
Você disse que esta era de duas.
Assim,
Bem, ok. Duas.
sim. Aqui é papel de...
Esta é duas?
Sim.
Ok, leva esta então. Tem truque?
Troco.
Change. Posso perguntar uma coisa a você?
Diga?
Posso perguntar uma coisa a você?
É?
Posso perguntar uma coisa? Faltam. É duas?
2 euros, sim.
Duas. I gave 5, she gave me 2. It was missing €1, I have to tell her. So yeah, I decided to buy a bracelet €2. I think it's a very fair price. It's the Turkish eye, so probably will give me luck or avoid any bad luck, something like that. But I find it cool. And for €2, it's a good price. It's not like €10 or €15 scam they do in Italy or Florence, where they put it first on your wrist. They say it's for free and then they demand a lot of cash for their family, which is a lie. They don't have a family. This is where you do the sea activities. Swim, diving, watch dolphins. You will see the dolphins, but not the whales. The whales is extremely hard to see them. So they use you're gonna see whales, but you will not see whales because the whales, they pass through, and you will have to have really luck to see them, to participate in the activities.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello. You don't talk like that to the customers. You first go to them, then you talk. You don't scream in the middle of the street like that. Anyway. Bom dia.
Olá, bom dia.
Para ver as baleias,
Sim.
tem alguma atividade aqui?
Nós fazemos as viagens todos os dias, em 3 horários. Temos de manhã das 10h30 à 1h30,
Aham.
à tarde das 3 às 6 e no pôr do sol das 6h30 às 9h30.
E é garantido que vejo baleias ou...
Não é garantido nenhuma espécie, mas caso faça a viagem e não seja possível observar nenhum animal, nós damos outra viagem. Às vezes só vemos golfinhos, às vezes só vemos baleias, às vezes vemos dos
E se
dois.
na segunda viagem não vir nada?
Tem direito a outra.
Sempre consecutivo?
Sim.
Ok, tá bem. Posso lá panfletos?
Sim.
How much it's the wristband?
Sorry,
How much it will cost the wristband?
which one? This one?
No, this one.
10 euros.
10?
10.
But can you do a cheaper price?
Which one you like, sir?
I like the black ones.
How many do you like?
Just one.
This one, this one.
All of them it's for 10?
Yes.
No, I'm just asking the price.
Yes.
10, 10, 10? And
Yes.
all of them?
No, sir.
No?
This is for 5 euro. This is for 8 euro. This is for 8 euro. This is for 10 euro.
And the one with the purple stones?
This one, 15. It's amethyst. It's
That's
amethyst.
quite a lot.
Yes, it's amethyst.
Are you from here?
Yes.
Do you know any good restaurants to eat?
You want, for example, this one is really good restaurant, but a bit too expensive. But if you want cheaper one, that's the Push Burger over there. You can have very good.
Is there any of them over there?
No, it will be expensive.
Expensive.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna check the statue.
Yes. Sir.
What's
But
your name?
My name is Malik.
Malik.
Yes.
Did you born in the island?
No.
Malik, where are you from?
Basically from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Do you have a license to sell all of this? He was asking to show me my ID. I'm a local dude. Don't tell me to show me anything to you. You are the one that need to show me. And he was overcharging a lot. Like 15 quid for a bracelet. That's insanity. This type of guys shouldn't be here in the first place. The one and only. Time for a smoothie. But I will find that guy again and see what he's gonna tell me. You're not even legal here.
Okay. I'm not.
Okay.
Please go.
You're a scammer.
Yes, I am. Please go.
Yes, you're a scammer. Don't scream to me. Don't shout.
No, you are doing wrong. Go from here.
You're not from here. I'm from here.
Okay, go. Whatever you want.
You're a
can do.
scammer. Yeah. You're a scammer. Guys, don't trust this guy. This guy is a scammer.
Okay, go. Then please go.
When they behave like that, you know exactly what they are. You tell me to go. Who the hell are you to tell me to go? I'm a citizen. I've been here since I've born. You're not from here, mate. That's unbelievable. He stands nearby where the cruises are. Near Cristiano Ronaldo statue, a bit for the right. So avoid that guy. He's a scammer. He's gonna overcharge you and lie to your face. He doesn't have a license. The other two women ladies selling, they had a license and they were polite. And thanks for watching. See, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will continue to do more videos. Don't forget to support as well. Any donation helps. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.